Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to send disappearing photos on Snapchat. Now to do that, open the Snapchat application, then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in, what you need to do is click a snap for you to send to your friend. So I'm just gonna click a random snaps over here. Just tap on the circle grid. And there's the snap that I want to send it to my friends on Snapchat. So once you have selected it, what you have to do over here is you will see a timer option at the right side of your screen. That is the very last option. You tap that. Now you will have a time limit to be set in the snap for your friends to view it. Currently, this setting is saved to infinite. That is no limit. Your friend can see it in repeat. So if you change the time period, now here you can set a timer option. All you have to is tap that and you can set here how long the snap should be before disappearing. Likewise for 10 seconds, the snap will be there for 10 seconds and it will disappear from your chat section. So if you choose the less second, less time period will be there. Once you have chosen the time period, you tap that and you can tap on send and send it to the friends on your Snapchat. This is the way how you can send a disappearing photos on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.